there, welcome to Ganesh Hora Shastram page. This is the first Ekadashi of New Year, Hindu New Year, and it is known as Kamada Ekadashi. This time, the first Ekadashi of the year is falling on 23rd of April, that is Friday, coinciding with Magha and Purva Falguni Nakshatram. It is extraordinarily good and pious day. Being the first Ekadashi of any year, it is, as the name indicates, it fulfills all the desire of the native if one observes fast on this particular day. The Shastra says puja should be done to Vasudeva, and Vasudeva alone can ensure extraordinary success for the whole year if it is done on this particular Ekadashi, which is Shukla Paksha Chaitra Ekadashi. Parni should be done on 24th April before 8:25 am. The legend for this Ekadashi was narrated by Lord Krishna to Pandav king, that is Yudhishthir. Earlier, it was narrated to Raja Dilip by sage Vasisht. The legend goes like this. In Bhojpuri, there was a Raja by the name Pundarik. Many Gandharvas, Kinnars and Apsaras used to live and stay in a state. One of the Gandharva was Lalit and his wife by the name of Lalita. They had extraordinary love and affection between themselves. They never used to live without each other. Once, when Lalit was performing in the court of Raja Pundarik, he suddenly remembered his wife and the fragrance of his wife, and he lost the Sur and Tal and ended his performance on a wrong note. This was noted by one of the serpent who had come to visit Raja, and his name was Karakotaka. And he informed Raja that he has performed an error in his performance because he had the thought of his wife and he didn't give enough respect and consideration to Raja. This infuriated the Raja very much, and he ordered that Lalit should become a demon and should lose all his power, and due to his curse, Lalit turned into extraordinary person with very vikar roop. Lalita, when she saw her husband in this way, she was disturbed totally, and along with him, she went to different places to seek remedies and do penance. In the process, she went to Vindhyachal forest. In the forest, she met Rishi Shringi, and Shringi Rishi told her to perform the Ekadashi Vratam of Kamada Ekadashi. And this she did with full devotion, and she offered puja to Lord Vasudeva. Next day, after doing puja, she on the Dwadashi day, she went again to Rishi Shringi and did puja to Lord Vasudeva, and with folded hands requested him to pardon the folly done by her husband and give him back his luster and former look. To this, God agreed, and he gave back the luster and the look and his abilities back to him. And after that, they lived ever after happily. And when they were to get back to their Gandharva Desham, they were taken away and they lived there happily ever. This is the story that goes for this Kamada Ekadashi, which is considered to be one of the best fulfilling Ekadashi for any human. All our desires and all our wants will be fulfilled if one observes fast on this day. This is the last Ekadashi for our recording because we started from the next Ekadashi, that is Varudhini Ekadashi, and now we are ending on Kamada Ekadashi. I hope you liked and you got educated with all this 26 Ekadashi that I have talked about. But for this coming year, there will be 25 Ekadashi, and November month is going to be extraordinarily good, because in November month, 3 Ekadashis are falling on 1st, 15th and 30th of November. So it is very, very extraordinary month. One should be very careful and seek the best of that period. With this note, I end my Ekadashi uploads, and I hope you all got educated. I should also thank my son, dearest son, Skandan Ganesh, who was the one who started this journey and who along with me gave you all this video upload. Now it's the time to know about the next 15 days luck and fortune for all of us. For native born in Taurus, Leo and Scorpio, the time is excellent. They will have extraordinary good achievement and growth, progress and new status coming in their life. For native born in Cancer, Virgo and Sagittarius, the time is good enough. All their efforts and sincerity is going to reap fruits in this fortnight. For native born in Aries, Gemini and Aquarius, the time is fair enough. They have to wait, weigh and then proceed. Lady Luck is not blind though, but yes, she has a squint eye towards you for this fortnight. So be careful. Now, for the native born in Libra, Capricorn and Pisces, the time is not very good. Be careful. Do not lend anybody. You have time when to visit doctor. This is the time that you should seek advice of doctor or any solution coming from advices sought from any lawyers or advocates. Thank you very much.